Hey everyone, it's MicrowaveSam. Today I will show you the first alpha demo of World 1, the multiplayer RPG that we've been trying to make for quite a while. So here it is. This is the main menu, and as you can see, we have a login and a register. Now, you can make a new account, like so, but since I already have an account, I'll just dismiss this and just log into an account that I have already. Before I get started, let me explain to you what our motivation was. We wanted to make an AR RPG, but it had to be multiplayer, because multiplayer RPGs are what was so fun for us on the computer and on consoles. So let's try to log in as myself. And then you'll log in as your player. Now for this alpha demo, we have only the basic concept so far. So, welcome to the world. Say menu to open the menu and fight monsters in free roam. So we have the sword, and I'm using the Bluetooth clicker. How the sword slashing works is that you activate the navigation gesture, you do your slash, and then you let go after you complete your slash. So we can do slashes like this, and it approximates to the closest directional type that you have. Diagonals, or left and right. And you can see that I can control it quite smoothly. If I want to do horizontal slashes, it just works. In the middle, the red circle is your health, and then the blue circle is your energy or mana to do moves. Now let's try to play this. Menu. Alright, there's me. I'm MicrowaveSam. So this is the new updated UI for World 1. Strength, magic, dexterity, and energy are all 1 by default. My damage is 6 and my defense is 4. And over here on the right side, I can keep on picking up stuff to fill this up, but all I have right now is my practice sword. Okay, second menu is my attributes. These attributes are kind of unique. Since it's augmented reality, we want it to be physical based. Strength increases whenever you slash an enemy, so you have to get the hit, and because it's strength, when you do physical attacks, your strength will increase. Magic is similar, but for magic attacks, you need to do magical moves, or spells, or arts, or skills, whatever you might call them, your magic will increase. Dexterity is your movement. The longer you move around, and the further number of miles or meters you get, it increases dexterity. Vitality is not getting hit, increases vitality, and energy is good conservation of energy, increases it. Right now I'm level 1 with 0 experience. And everyone in this alpha version is a warrior type of class, so you can only use melee type of weapons to start off with. Let's check our skills. For this alpha sandbox demo, you can use all your skills. For example, this is guard, an almighty aura. It hits any enemy that touches the edges. Discipline is a passive move. The passive that adds a level times 2 to damage, so I have plus 2 damage right now. This is Purge. Purge is a move where if an enemy has 25% or less HP, if I look at the enemy and say the voice command, it purges them. All these skills are voice activatable. As for quests, quests appear as you... how do I explain them? Right now we only give you a demo quest to show you how the dialogue system works, but the main part is that we're building more. This page is some of the options that we have that we want to set up in the near future. Having a friends list, having a guild list, going into an arena mode, and shops. So let's just do free roam, because this is the nature of the AR RPG that we want to make. So when you're free roaming, walking around will eventually attract enemies. You can leave free roam by saying run away, but for now, as I walk around, eventually I will encounter enemies. So let's do that. Menu. So let's move around.
Recording.
Okay, so after walking around, this is what you'll see. Monsters are ready to spawn, because we didn't want monsters to spawn while you were in a busy sidewalk or in the middle of the street. So let's confirm and fight some enemies. So enemies will start spawning around you, and then you can fight them. Okay. Soul Arrow. Taunt. Guard. Okay, let's fight these guys. 4 monsters. They're red slimes. These guys are called chippers and a star bat. Let's see what I can do. First, I should activate my activatables. Tough skin. This increases my armor by 20. Rage. This will increase my damage. Soul Arrow. Soul Arrow. Soul Arrow. Alright, got a ton of XP. Menu. My XP increases, likewise. Soul Arrow. Strike down. A free roam mode for the alpha version. Basically, when you're free roaming, walking around will eventually attract monsters. So as I walk around, I'll just go into circles. It doesn't matter where you go, but it's sort of like the randomized battle system. Menu. Let me close out my menu. So I'm just going to walk around until I encounter some enemies. Oh, menu. Alright, we found some enemies. And now to initiate a battle, we just confirm. Because we didn't want the enemies to spawn at an inconvenient place. Let's say you were on the sidewalk walking around with your pals, and then you go crossing walk while wearing your mixed reality glasses, your augmented reality glasses. Well, it's not that convenient to fight the battle on the crosswalk. Right now, we give every player a practice sword. Slashing works like this. I like to use a clicker because it's more convenient. Doing the navigation gesture with your hands is not that fun, and it's really annoying. So basically how slashing works is you activate the navigation gesture and you go into the direction that you want to go, and then you let go of the button. So hold the button, slash, and let go. Hold the button, slash, and let go. And so the direction that the slash occurs is wherever the closest direction from point A to point B. So if you do left to right, you do left to right slash, left diagonal to right bottom diagonal, you'll do like that. And we have many more skills. All these are voice activatable and they are clickable, so you can see the name of the skill at the top. You can upgrade the skill with your skill points, and they have their level and description of what they do. Our quest system is preliminary. Basically, our quest system is, look at a quest, it says what the quest information is, and then you can assign that quest yourself. It generates a cutscene, and then you'll be talking to NPCs, and this is how we cope and manage with an augmented reality environment.